Namaste everyone. Happy Independence Day to all of you. My name is Tanush Narala. I am studying in second class in Sri Vidya Ranya International School. Today I am going to interview my grandpa, Sri Haranath Marchella Garu. He is retired as Government Degree College Principal. Namaste Tataya Garu.
Namaste Tanush, good evening. How are you? Happy Independence Day to you also.
Thank you, Tataya. Same to you. How are you, Tataya Garu?
I am fine, Tanush.
I would like to start the interview.
You are welcome.
Can you please tell about yourself and your childhood?
Yeah, I am a retired principal with experience as a principal with experience of 8 years and 24 years of experience with a lecturer. You said in your introduction, I am a principal of degree college, but I was not. I was a principal of degree junior college. I was a principal of junior college. Okay, you make correction to that. And I worked in several places like Khammam, Adilabad, and Warangal. So in my total services, I worked in 7 places. So I retired in Government Junior College, Rebena, which is presently in Komrambim, Asifabad district. Well, you asked me about my childhood. In my childhood, we did not have facilities like we have now. There was no proper lighting, no lights, no fans, no electricity. Very used to get electricity very rarely. And whenever we wanted to study, we did not have proper lighting. So we used to take the help of lantern light, candles, with the light of candles. Hmm. So, however, we enjoyed a lot during my childhood, playing games with friends, moving with friends. Okay.
What is Independence Day and why do we celebrate it on 15th of August every year?
See, as everyone knows, we got independence on 15th August, 1947. Independence means freedom, freedom from the ruling of the Britishers. Our country was ruled by Britishers for more than 200 years. So, on the occasion of our Independence Day, every year we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day.
Okay. Who are Britishers and why did they come to India?
Britishers came to India in the form of, for the sake of business. They started coming to India with the guise of business, and they did lot of business with us. And slowly and gradually, they scattered throughout our country. They took took us for granted, and they started ruling directly over a period of time.
How did India get freedom?
So with the 200 years of struggle, we got freedom. We did not get it overnight. Our freedom fighters, right from Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, near Subhash Chandra Bose, he was called Netaji, and Jawaharlal Nehru and others. So many people, great stalwarts and leaders, sacrificed their lives for the sake of freedom. So ultimately, we got the freedom with the preachings of Mahatma Gandhi, truth and non-violence. And many people died. So many important events took place in which many people died.
Have you ever participated or seen freedom struggle?
That question doesn't arise because I was born in 1959. That is after independence only I was born. My parents and his brothers participated. My father and his brothers participated in the freedom movement. They went underground also.
Who is your inspiring freedom fighter and why?
Inspiring freedom leader, obviously Mahatma Gandhi, because he got us freedom with the non-violence, with the principles of non-violence and truth. They are still valid today.
Would you like to give any message to present generation?
My only message for the kids and a present generation like you: hard work, smart work are needed. You have to work a lot. You have to study well. You have to contribute a lot for the development of the country, because development is a continuous process. Even after 75 years of independence, poverty is not removed, unemployment is growing, and illiteracy also is not up to the literacy is not up to the mark. Still, we have more than 30% of illiteracy in our country. So, you being the young and dynamic people would be future citizens of the country, should try for the removal of these social sins like unemployment, poverty, illiteracy. That is a message for you.
Thank you, Tatay Garu, for your time and valuable information.
Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. May God bless you.
Thank you and bye-bye all.
Okay. Bye. How are you? Happy Independence Day to you also.
Thank you, Tataya. Same to you. How are you, Tataya Garu?
I am fine, Tanush.
I would like to start the interview.
The second prize is backed by Pranav Chaudhary M of grade 2B.